Yeah, great question. So what is it about my mom's experience that left her feeling empowered to pursue education? It's very difficult to answer that. And I've thought about this with, my own upbringing and trying to parent my own children. I don't think there's a simple answer for it. I think there needs to be a certain amount of adversity in a kid's life. Otherwise, you've skipped the gym for life. You need to figure out how to solve your own problems so you can get to adulting. But if you have too much, then it overwhelms, traumatizes, and knocks somebody down. So what is the right mix? And it honestly could be different depending on a different child and how they are wired and engineered too. So two people in the same environment or circumstance may metabolize it very differently. So I don't think there's a little, cookie cutter answer for like how to do that. My mom was a fireball. She was always strong-willed, maybe a little bit of an edge. She could be a little scary when she was coming at you and made you feel really safe when she was going at everybody else. That was kind of how she was wired. And she had some really tough experiences that I would never wish upon anybody in her childhood. It's hard to identify, but she did have both challenges, and she also had tremendous supports. Her mother was taken away from her family as a small child, sent to residential boarding school, and prohibited from speaking her language or accessing her culture. But she did make it out of the institutions back to Bena and fell in love with a local boy and raised a family there. So my mother did have a grounding in community, and a lot of dimensions of culture, hunting, fishing, things like that were very practiced for her. And I think she had a sense of hunger and also a sense of support at the same time that she had plenty of trauma that as I said, I would never wish upon anyone. Yeah. So that may be an imperfect answer to that question, but yeah, that's of course what we all want to engineer for our children is success without the injury and the baggage. But I think honestly, it's very hard to protect your children from all the things. It is a scary world out there. And you can't helicopter everything about them, or you end up depriving them of the strength that comes from solving their own problems and doing their own lifting.